developing a marketing plan is crucial because we need to get customers to come to that door to eat your food, enjoy the environment, and basically generate money so you can stay in business. Now, I've got 5 key points here that I've always used in my restaurants and my food businesses to basically get them busy with the correct customers so that it creates a great environment, it gets repeat business, and the business works very, very efficiently. Okay, now those key points are as follows. So identify your target audience. So define your target market based on demographics, preferences, and behaviors to tailor your marketing strategies effectively. Again, this is market research, or research in general, researching the demographic, the people that are your customers, the locals, the people that have historically used the same premises but not under your ownership. Set marketing goals. Establish clear and measurable marketing objectives, such as increasing brand awareness, boosting sales, or expanding customer base to guide your marketing efforts. So if your marketing goal is simply to, you want your customers to be more aware of a new menu you're launching, then that's your marketing effort. So how do we do that? We need to make sure that people are aware of this new menu through the marketing goals. Then we need to choose marketing channels. So where are we going to advertise on? Is it your website? Is it YouTube? Is it Facebook? So select the most suitable marketing channels to reach your target audience, such as social media, email marketing, paid advertisement, local partnerships, or community events. There's so much to choose from nowadays, but I would start with one and build from that. So master one and then expand to a 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, don't try and oversaturate yourself and do 20 different online marketing platforms, because one, you won't have enough time, and you won't have enough quality content on any of them because your time is saturated. Okay, so choose one and build from there. And then create compelling content. So develop engaging and relevant content, including menus, promotions, blogs, videos, and social media posts. Okay, so there's so many ways to market these days, and there's so many free ways to do it, but the online marketplace or digital marketplace is so crowded with people doing the same thing. So you have to have great, compelling content to stand out from the competition. Now measure and analyze. So track and analyze key performance metrics such as website traffic, social media engagement, customer feedback, and sales data. Then evaluate the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions from there. Okay. So these are 5 key points to think about to start to research. So set up a online platform, Facebook, LinkedIn. If you're a B2B business, LinkedIn is probably the best, but if it's a restaurant, to the end user, probably not. But for any of you that want to dig into this in more detail, we offer a how to market a restaurant to perfection course, which has got sections that are specifically dedicated for each type of marketing. Okay. And it's brilliant to learn how to do this. I wish someone had done this for me when I had restaurants, because I would have bit their arm off, especially the cheap prices I'm charging to do this. But I advise that you click on the links after this video to enroll in this course about how to market your restaurant, okay, or your food business, because it's a brilliant way of doing it. Once it's set up, it's free, it's automated, etc. But for now, here are 5 key points you can have a look at yourself, just to get a bit more of understanding of what to do. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next section.